Want to turn off or customize at a glance on your Android 17 stock OS? By default, At a Glance shows useful information directly on your home screen, such as weather updates, sports scores, finance alerts, upcoming calendar events, commute times, and more. To see this information, At a Glance must be turned on. Otherwise, you'll only see the date and weather on your Android home screen. Here's how to customize it. First, press and hold anywhere on the home screen, then tap Home Settings. Now, tap the gear icon next to At a Glance. Here, you'll see the Use at a Glance option. If you turn this off, At a Glance will be removed from your home screen and lock screen, and you'll only see the day, date, and month. If you want to customize it instead, keep it turned on. Scroll down to see all the available options. You can choose what information appears in At a Glance, including weather updates, sports scores, finance updates, air quality alerts, upcoming calendar events, commute and travel time, time to leave reminders, and more. Simply turn on the options you want to see on your home screen and turn off the ones you don't need. If you only want to hide At a Glance from the home screen, you can disable it to toggle off Show on home screen. Now, hide day and date from the home screen. But some live information like sports scores or calendar updates may still appear on the lock screen when available. And if you ever want to bring At a Glance back, just go to Home Settings, tap the At a Glance gear icon, and turn it back on. That's it! That's how you can customize or completely turn off At a Glance on your Android 17 stock OS or other supported devices.